All right, we're working on the 2006 Ford F-150 Lariat. And I'm getting the pieces put on. There's my upper valance there. But after I put the valance on, then I noticed the bumper wasn't quite right. I've already worked this one a little bit. That's really close right there. In fact, that's pretty freaking good. But I had to readjust my shims. I took an entire nut out of there and tightened it back down to get that. I also added a shim right there. Okay, so now I'm doing it on the other side. The paint came out to be a good match. And I've got the jack in there because I haven't tightened it down yet. Yeah. There's the lower valance. Nice paint on that one. That one turned out really good. And then I got the license plate fixture, but I'll worry about that last. So I'll finish, straightening out that bumper, getting it so it fits right on. Then I'll put the lights in, and then the lower valance, and then we'll put the license plate on. Anyway, if I get done today, it'll be great. That's what I'm going to shoot for. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.